marami kayong mapapanood na mga behind-the-scene, kulitan moments, mga kwento namin about our rehearsals and everything. Anything na behind-the-scene, dito nyo po mapapanood yan.
And mapapanood nyo to 3 times a week. Hindi lang 2 yon. Hindi lang isa, kundi tatlo! At we will upload every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before
Our Sunday show.
Yeah, you're right.
Hi! Hello! Kamusta?
We're good, we're good. We're excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so nervous. So for this episode, we'll be having a jazz funk. So ano ba ang jazz funk? Ito ay hybrid na jazz dance x modern dance. Okay, so have you danced jazz dance before?
No.
No.
First time ko pa lang pong matatry.
Okay, siguro will not focus on jazz mismo. Siguro may mga konti lang tayong dadaanan para lang din ma-incorporate natin sa piece natin ngayon.
Sige.
Okay, kasi mga jazz parang ganyan-ganyan din. Hindi po ba yun?
Parang iba yun. Parang funk siya. Funk. Yeah, hindi sa jazz. At least pasok sa jazz funk. Let's go?
Okay.
Okay, so stretch muna natin shoulders back, down, up, down, yan. Lose it more, yan, para mas comfortable. Up, down, 7, then right muna, right shoulder, left, backward, bigger, and inhale, exhale. When you stretch, then forward, right, and left, nice, right, and left, and right, and left, nice. Then we go with the head, right, head, 5, 6, 7, up, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, up, right, and 5, 6, left, na, and turn ng head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then stretch your arms, right, chest out, inhale, exhale when you stretch. Nice, and up. Nice one.
So gagawin kasi namin, parang we're gonna tell a story. Sabihin ko, pero we're gonna tell a story na parang nag-start kami sa dating app.
Oh, yes.
So we need to,
Kailangan namin mapakita yun.
mapakita talaga na maayos with our expression, with our
Basically, parang boy meets girl lang. Parang, we're gonna do a choreography, tapos, with the cellphone, nag-swipe right kayo both, tapos nagulat na lang kayo na magkatabi na kayo.
One of the,
Oo nga.
challenging part.
Yeah, yun yung challenging part nga doon, yung storytelling din.
Kasi, kung hindi naman maintindihan ng mga tao, para saan pa yun? So, we really need to practice the acting.
Acting. For the actor
5,
na
6,
siya.
7, 8. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Make sure very isolated siya. So 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Make sure yung etong movement na to isolated up, tas eto lang gagalaw together with that na head. Okay, para mas ma-appreciate natin yung isolations nung breakdown ng choreography. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, base. Nice one. One more.
A few years back, kasi when I was with Lapilus po sa Korea, kaka-launch lang ng group nila.
Which is yung Horizon.
Yung Horizon. And we were under the same company. So, nung na-meet namin sila sa Korea, naalala ko kasi nag-rehearse kami ganyan. Sobra silang awkward. Yung hindi nila alam kung... Kasi syempre, Korea yun. And I understand kung ano yung nararamdaman nila back then. Kasi as someone na nag-train din sa Korea and everything, nag-a-adjust ka pa sa rules, nag-a-adjust ka pa sa culture nila. And ako naman, parang meron akong... I wanted them to feel welcome. I wanted to be warm.
Hello,
Kasi ito,
love
sobrang introverted niya talaga. I think yung ibang members yung mas nakausap ko eh.
Actually,
Ngayon
dahil
lang
sila
kita
kami.
nakausap ng talagang ngayon lang kita nakabonding talaga.
Dahil dito sa Stars on the
Yes.
Floor.
7, and slide, snap, and tarara, tarara, and catch, snap, da-da-da, 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 tarara. Nice one. Try natin pick up dun sa nakita yung ring, then susuotin yung ring. Ready? Slowly lang. 5, 6, 7, 8. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly go, go. When 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Doon muna tayo. Up muna, up.
Sa first challenge po, ang parang naging challenging part sa akin doon is I'm not kasi used na may kasamang na like duo. So, especially si Ate Shanti, we know each other before pa, pero we're not that close kasi nga, yun, sa Korea, di kami nakapag-usap. Pero ngayon,
Ay, talagang hindi ko makita yung mukha niya. Nakaganyan lagi yan. Kasi syempre, tinuturuan kami sa Korea to greet your seniors. And syempre, senior ako. Hindi sa edad. I mean, obviously sa edad na rin. Pero as a group ba, parang may sombenim, ganyan. So, tinuturuan kami na you have to greet someone na senior, like above sa'yo sa career, ganyan.
lagi.
So, baw sila ng baw. Tapos siya, yung kunyari dadaan papuntang CR or lalabas sila sa sa practice room, ganyan. Parang nga hindi ko marinig kung nagsabi ba siya ng hi, parang
Di kasi nakakaya. As in,
sabi ko, huh?
once na nakasalubong ko sila doon sa company namin, nagpapanik na.
Okay pa.
Okay.
Masyado nga tayo focus, parang 1, 2,
Yeah, masyadong focus sa steps, nawawala yung essence
Opo,
no
yung kulitan
chemistry,
natin.
kulitan. Though
One of the challenge na naramdaman ko is the chemistry. Kasi of course, kapag may kaduo ka, need mo ng chemistry.
Balik lang uli here. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4. Nice. So, dun sa partnering na yon, can I see the facial expressions na parang nagkukulitan?
Okay.
Ang ginagawa ko po para maging mas solid ang chemistry namin ni Shante is I'm trying to switch into extrovert kasi I'm introvert, so I'm trying to be extrovert when I'm with her. Kasi
Okay.
nakapag-introvert,
From here,
paano kapag
kailangan spot tayo. Nice.
No, wala
Spot
nang
ka.
usap.
One more.
Siyempre, kapag pagod yung isa, dapat ikaw yung magbibigay ng energy sa kanya. Pasa-pasa lang yan. Give and take. Parang sabihin natin give and take. Ganun po ba? Tama naman, di ba? Tama, o di ba? Give and take. So, yun.
Stars on the floor.